Alright guys, what it do? It's your boy X coming at you guys with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys a way to double your money in 1 month. I know what you're thinking. How is that even possible? Please tell me more. I got you, cuz. I'm going to tell you how to do it. I have been doing this method for a while now, actually. Like so long, I can't remember how long I've been doing it. But with this method, it can double your money easily. So, without further ado, let's get into today's video. Alright guys, so before we get into the nitty gritty, would you mind subscribing to my channel and liking this video? By liking this video, you can help my video reach more people, which will in return help more people see me, hopefully get more subscribers, hopefully get monetized. So yeah, smash that like button. Thanks. But so with everything going on due to the pandemic and all this shenanigans that it came with, a lot of people are looking to meme stock. They're looking for fast money. They're looking for ways to double their money. They're looking for ways to save their money. They're just looking for ways to take back their life because they realize when something of this magnitude happens to us, it hurts for the little man. The little man truly get left out. They just wonder like, oh my, such a headache. And they just start looking for ways to make money passively, quick, by any means. So what I'm going to show you guys today of how to double your money, or you're going to like it. Now, like I said again, I've been using this strategy for who knows how long now. It will definitely works. So with that being said, I'm going to tell you the number one way to double your money is you guessed it. Yes, that is the answer. Yes, truly, that is literally the answer. And I know you're thinking, hey, how you double your money? That's nothing special. Hear me out. If you don't have it, if you're low, if you're living paycheck to paycheck, what other better way to double your money than getting a second job or getting a job in general? So with that being said, I think that this method is it may be old, it may be slow, it may be tiresome, it may be bored, it may be lame, whatever the case may be. But this is the old reliable. This is the most quickest way to double your money. Getting a second job. And there's no shortage of jobs anywhere right now. There's no shortage. I mean, you have McDonald's paying people $50 to come for an interview that they're gonna hire you on the spot. They already know they're gonna hire you on the spot. They're just paying you $50 to come. I see plumbing company giving people $5K sign-on bonus just to apply. This is crazy. Even Amazon has increased its minimum wage. They are bringing people in now making like $16. Why? Because they want to make sure their employees stay. There's a article I read that Bank of America is planning on increasing their minimum wage to $25 by 2025. There are so many companies out here trying to do whatever it takes to please their employees and show them that, hey, this is a place where you can be employed and you can make money. They want to help you make money. So the answer to everybody's problem is a job. It's that simple. And I know what you're thinking, oh man, well, these are some higher up jobs. I don't meet those qualifications. People, you may not like it, but the best thing you can do is at least try a job. I know some people say, oh, no, I won't work in the industry. At least try the industry. The post office is higher. I myself work at the post office. They pay pretty decent. They are hiring. Trust me, we need everybody. We need everybody. Your sister, your cousin, your great auntie, everybody. So, and that is a very lucrative paying job. Now I'm gonna start with you guys. They're hiring. Like I said, you got bank. Every company you can possibly think of is hiring. I can't even get in my car and drive 2 miles without seeing huge banners of hiring signs. So yes, people, they are hiring out there. This is the most fastest way to double your income. But yes, people, that is my grand scheme of how I double my money. Believe it or not, I was gonna throw some numbers out there to you guys. Last year, for like the past 2 years, I've been making like 50, just shy of like over 50K, like 52, 54K a year. Last year, I went ahead and 12-hour shawty every day, stayed as long as I possibly could, day in, day out, 6 days a week, and I was over 70K last year just by me staying as if I got a second job, just increasing my hours at my first job because they allowed it. You know, some people don't have that luxury, that's what the second job before, but just by me doing that, I was able to make an extra 20K that year. And that 20K went a very, very long way to my journey to become a financial free. And I have a newfound respect for anybody who either has 2 jobs and is really grinding, or somebody who has that one job that allow you to work as if you had 2 jobs. Because I know a lot of people don't like it. They hate being at their job. It's tiresome. They don't want to work for the man. I'm tired of being here. Hey, this, you have that option. That's the thing. But in hindsight, just you doing, let's say you did an extra hour of overtime. Your overtime is $20. Let's just say in overtime you make $20. If you did one extra overtime a day and you work 5 days, it's extra $100. I know some people personally who actually go out and get a second job just to make an extra $100 a month. Just by increasing your hours at your job, 1 hour. That's it. Or if you get a second job just by going, pretty sure you'll clear over 100 to 200. That's my idea of how you can double your money in a month. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, like this video, share this video, let's spread the word, let's help people get jobs so they can start making money. Let's help everybody grow, share the wealth, tell everybody who's hiring, post office. But I hope you guys have a good day, but it's your boy Axia, and I'm out.